Life is full of surprises, and those surprises can be exciting. But there are times when the unexpected isn't exactly what you'd hope for. You may not be able to predict those moments, but you can certainly prepare for them. Purchasing a vehicle is a big financial decision, and you want to protect your investment. It's no secret that the more miles you drive and the older your car gets, the more service it will require in the years ahead. Most major repairs occur after the manufacturer's warranty expires, and that can get expensive. Having a vehicle protection plan helps give you the peace of mind you deserve. We offer several coverage options with different deductible levels so you can choose a term that is right for you. Based on your budget, deductible preference, and even your driving frequency. To help keep you on the go when your vehicle is being serviced for covered repairs, our plans come with rental car reimbursement, towing service, and even travel coverage in case of breakdowns away from home. Plus, each plan is fully transferable to the next vehicle owner, adding even more value to your car. No matter what plan you choose, they all help get you back to the more important things in life. Want to learn more about a vehicle protection plan? Speak to a dealer representative for more details.